Good morning, grade 8 students. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to start with the second part of this activity, transport of respiratory gases. Open your books, page 44. In the first part, we saw the transport of oxygen, and we said that the constituents of blood responsible for the transportation of oxygen are the plasma and the red blood cells. Similarly, carbon dioxide is transported by these two elements, plasma and red blood cells. Red blood cells contain many hemoglobin molecules. So, one molecule of carbon dioxide binds to one molecule of hemoglobin to form carbohemoglobin. This binding is reversible. Hence, carbohemoglobin can dissociate to release one molecule of carbon dioxide and free hemoglobin molecule. Can you see the figure? The red colored protein is hemoglobin and the yellow circle represents carbon dioxide. So in this case, carbon dioxide can combine with hemoglobin to form carbohemoglobin. I will repeat. Hemoglobin binds in a reversible manner to both oxygen and carbon dioxide. So in case of carbon dioxide, a molecule of this gas can bind to one molecule of hemoglobin to form carbohemoglobin. At the level of the alveoli, carbohemoglobin dissociates to release hemoglobin and carbon dioxide. Now this gas can diffuse from the blood to the alveolar air. Carbon dioxide is also transported by the plasma. As a result of cellular respiration, cells release carbon dioxide. 70% of carbon dioxide is transported by the plasma in either the dissolved form or in the form of bicarbonate, while the other 30% is transported in red blood cells in the form of carbohemoglobin. This slide summarizes all the important ideas that should be remembered. So, the constituents of blood responsible for the transportation of gases are the plasma and red blood cells. Both the plasma and red blood cells can carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is transported via the plasma in a dissolved form. However, the carbon dioxide is transported via the plasma in either the dissolved form or in the form of bicarbonate. However, in case of red blood cells, oxygen binds to hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin, while carbon dioxide binds to hemoglobin to form carbohemoglobin. Another important idea to be mentioned before I finish this video, it's about toxic gases. The polluted air contains several harmful substances that disrupt the respiratory system and its functioning. Examples of these substances are carbon monoxide, benzene, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, ozone. These substances are very harmful and cause respiratory diseases such as cancer, bronchitis, emphysema, and asthma. This slide is just for your own information. Do not memorize it. Let's talk a little bit about emphysema. Emphysema is a disease of the lungs. In people with emphysema, the air sacs in the lungs or the alveoli are damaged. This disease is most likely to develop in people breathing toxic gases, such as those mentioned before, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. Such damage in the alveoli can cause difficulties in gas exchange between the alveoli and the surrounding blood. That's it for today. Please study well this chapter. See you soon.